Coming into the class, I really didn't have much experience with anything handy, really. Wasn't raised that way too much. I just didn't get my hands on a lot of things growing up. I played sports, but that's about it. When I came into this class not knowing much, I watched the video on the class, the informational video, and I got really hooked on the hydraulic module back there. I don't know why, it just looked very interesting to me. And when I came into the class a few weeks later, Mr. B was very optimistic and open about everything. He took us through everything. In about the first 2 weeks, we got our hands on every piece of equipment, even before half of the first quarter got here. Over the last year and a half, I've traveled through various states in America. I've left the country twice on multiple long trips. My last trip I just got back from was Puerto Rico. That was about 18 days. So a month before Puerto Rico, I was in Europe. I was leaving Poland, but before that, from December 1st to April 5th, I had to spend 5 months straight in Europe. Started in the Netherlands, went to Ireland, left Ireland, went back to the Netherlands, left the Netherlands, went to France, stayed in France for about a month, went to 3 cities. I stayed in Paris. I didn't leave, I didn't go home. I didn't have a problem with it, I loved it. But basically I get to travel the world, I get to work, use what I learned from this class, learn many new things, work-wise and just world experience-wise. How to really claim you know something until you're able to teach the same thing back to our bosses. So, works actually the same way in the real world than it did it here. It helped so much doing that then. You don't see it coming actually, but you know, being able to teach somebody is really being able to share the knowledge, being able to spread it all so everybody else can learn.
I'm Gilbert Liu from MTC's Advanced Manufacturing, and I'm going to tell you I'm so proud of my students. It's such a blessing for me that I have great students. Everything that I've done in life, I've gotten there because of my work that my students have done. I've had many, many honors in teaching, Teacher of the Year and all these different things, and it's never been because of what I've done. It's always been because of what my students have done. And right here, right before us right now, are 4 students that are traveling the world and entertaining the world and setting up Disney on Ice for Feld Entertainment. They do an outstanding job, and they're going to continue to do an outstanding job, and they have a career in less than a year. Here at MTC, it's not just this one, but make things happen. Because companies around the world are hiring our students for careers that are just off the chart.